Class 4, Subject Maths, Unit 1, Topic Multiples and Factors. Introduction. Definition of factors and multiples. Multiples and factors of a number. The multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it with another number. For example, 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48. Therefore, the first four multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36 and 48. Next, factors. Factors are the numbers that are multiplied to get a given number. Example, 1 12 is equal to 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Next, prime numbers and composite numbers. Definition. Prime number. A number has only two factors, itself and 1. A number has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. For example, 2. It has only two factors. Similarly, 3, 5, 7. 2 is only even prime number. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. It is called unique. Composite number. A number that has more than two factors. A number that has more than two factors. For example, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Therefore, 8 has 4 factors. Next, sheaf of Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes, a Greek mathematician, developed a method to find prime numbers by removing numbers that are not prime. The method is known as sheaf of Eratosthenes. This is a table of Eratosthenes. In this, the circle numbered are called prime numbers between 1 and 100. All the other numbers except 1 are composite numbers between 1 and 100. Next, we are going to see test of divisibility. Divisibility by 2. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits means you have to add all the digits of the given number. So it is divisible by 3. If the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. If the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. Divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 0 or 5. Last digit 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Next, 6. If it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3. So, the condition should satisfy both 2 and 3. The number should divisible by 2 and 3. Next, divisible by 8. If the number formed by last 3 digits, it is divisible by 8. 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Next, 10. If the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10.
Hello children, today we are going to see the first unit, that is multiples and factors. In first part of my video, I told about what is the definition of multiples and factors. Today we are going to see the exercise sum. Write the first three multiples of these numbers. We have to write the first three multiples of the given number. Okay, we have to write the multiple numbers. See here. First question A, 8. So we have to know the multiples of 8. So we know that 8 table, isn't it? So 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. Okay, so 16, 24 and 32. These are the multiples of 8. First 3 multiples means we have to consider 8, 16 and 24. This is the answer. Okay, similarly second question, write the first 3 multiples of 17. So what is 17? 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 7 twos are 14. 1 carry over. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So 17 twos are 34. Okay, next 17 threes are, what is 17 threes are? 7 threes are 21. 2 carry over. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 17 threes are 51. These are the first 3 multiples of 17. So what is the first 3 multiple of 17? 17, 34 and 51. These are the first 3 multiples of 17. Similarly, the multiples of 13. First 3 multiples of 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are, so 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. So 26. Next 13 threes are, so what is 13 threes are? 3 threes are 9, 39. So the first 3 multiples of 13 is 13, 26 and 39. Okay, the first 3 multiples of 13 is 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39. Let us see the next sum. Next is the second sum, children. Write the first 5 even multiples of these numbers. Write the first 5 even multiples. Okay, even multiples of the given number. So what is even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, isn't it? These are even numbers. So consider the first question A. It is 9. Solution. You have to write the first 5 even multiples. Okay. So you write 9 into 2. Okay. So what is 9 twos are? 18. So 18 is the even multiple of 9. Similarly, 9 threes are 27. 27 is not a even multiple. So next 9 into 4. So what is 9 fours are? 36. 9 fours are 36. So 36 is a even number. So it is a even multiple of 9. Similarly, 9 fives are 45. So 45 is not a even number. So 9 into 6, you multiply 9 6 are. So 9 6 are 54. So 54 is a even multiple of 9. Next, 9 sevens are 63. 63 is not a even multiple. So you multiply 9 eights are. So what is 9 eights are? 72. Okay. Then 9 tens are 90. 9 tens are 90. So 90 is the even multiple of 9. So first 5 even multiple of 9 is 18, 36, 54, 72 and 90. Similarly, next question 24. First even multiple of 24. So we all know 24 into 1 is 24. So 24 ones are 24. So 24 is the even number. Next 24 into 2. Okay. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. So 24 twos are 48. 48 is the even multiple of 24. Similarly, 24 into 3. 24 threes are, 4 threes are 12. 1 carry over. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 72. 72 is the even multiple of 24. Similarly, 24 into 4. 4 fours are 16. Balance 1. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 96 is also an even multiple of 24. Similarly, 24 into 5. Okay. So 5 fours are 20. 2 carry over. 2 fives are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 120. So the first 5 even multiple of 24 is 24. 48, 72, 96 and 120. So these are the first 5 even multiples of 24. Similarly, see here 81. 81 is an odd number. We have to write the first 5 even multiples of 81. Okay, so 81 into 1 won't come. So 81 into 2. Okay. So 81 2s are 1 2s are 2. 8 2s are 16. 162 is the even multiple of 81. Similarly 81 into 4. Okay. So 81 into 3 is a odd number. So you multiply 81 into 4. So 4 ones are 4. 8 4s are 32. So 324 is a even multiple of 81. Similarly 81 into 6. 5 won't come. It's odd number. So 1 6 are 6. 6 8s are 48. So 81 into 6 is equal to 486. 486 is a even multiple of 81. Similarly 81 into 8. 7 won't come. So 8 ones are 8. 8 8s are 64. So 648 is the even multiple of 81. So again 81 into 10. So 9 won't come. So 81 into 10, 810. Okay, so 810 is the even multiple of 81. Therefore the first 5 even multiple of 81 is 162, 324, 486, 648, 810. Okay children, let us see the odd multiples. Next, we see the third sum. Find the first 5 odd multiples of the given number. We have to find the first 5 odd multiples. Okay, see here, first question 5. A 5. Solution, we have to find first 5 odd multiples. So 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 is not an odd number. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 is an odd multiple of 5. Similarly 5 4s are 20. 20 is not an odd number. So 5 5s are 25. So 25 is an odd multiple of 5. So 5 6 are 30. 30 is not a odd multiple. So 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. So 5 9s are 45. Okay. You see here, we have to find the first 5 odd multiples of 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 is not an odd multiple. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 20 is not an odd multiple. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 30 is not an odd multiple. 5 7s are 35, 35 is an odd multiple of 5. 5 9s are 45. So these are the first 5 odd multiples of 5. Okay. Next question 11. So we have to find the odd multiple of 11. So 11 ones are 11. 11 2s are 22. So 22 is not odd multiple. So 11 into 3. So 11 3s are 33. So next 11 into 4 won't come. 4 is a even number. So 11 into 5, that is equal to 55. 11 into 6, it won't come. 6 is a even number. So 11 into 7, 77. 11 into 8 won't come. 9. 11 into 9, 99. So these are the first 5 multiple of 11. That is 11, 33, 55, 77, 99. Okay, these are the first 5 odd multiples of 11. Next we see the third sum children. 19. We have to find the first 5 odd multiples of 19. Okay, so 19 into 1. So 19 ones are 19. So 19 is an odd number. So 19 into 2 we cannot multiply because 2 is an even number. So we have to multiply 19 into 3. Okay, 3 is an odd number. So you multiply 19 into 3. So 3 9s are 27. You write 7 2 carry over. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 57. 57 is an odd multiple of 19. Similarly, 19 into 4 won't come. 4 is an even number. So we multiply 19 into 5. 5 is odd number, no. So 5 9s are 45. 4 carry over. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 95 is the odd multiple of 19. Similarly, 19 into 6 we cannot multiply. 6 is a even number. So 19 into 7 we have to multiply. So 9 7s are 63. 6 carry over. Okay. So 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 3 is 13. So 133 is odd multiple of 19. So next 19 into 9. 8 we cannot multiply. So 9 9s are 81. 8 carry over, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 8 is 170, sorry 117. So therefore 19 into 9 is 171. Okay. So first 5 odd multiple of 19 is 19, 57, 95, 133, 171. Okay children, next we see the next sum. Next we see the fourth sum children. Write the multiples of. Write the multiples of A 4 that are greater than 40. This is greater than symbol. Okay, greater than 40 but less than 60. This less than symbol. So 40 க்கு மேல 60 க்கு உள்ளார். So greater than 40 but less than 60. Okay, we have to know the multiples of 4 greater than 40. So 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44. So next 44 in 4 into 12 48, 4 into 13. So you multiply 13 into 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry over, 4 1s are 4, 52. So 52. Next 56. So we cannot write 66 less than 60. No, these are the answer. 44, 48, 52 and 56. These are the multiples of greater than 40 but less than 60. Next, second question. Multiples of 12 that are less than 60. Multiple of 12 that are less than 60. Okay. So you write 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60. So these are the answer. 12, 24, 36 and 48. Okay children, let us see the next sum. Thank you.